This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept object array and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the object array. It has 5 integer objects. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing object array. This method sort the object array content into ascending order. After sorting, I am displaying the object array content. Here I have defined the key as 8. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing object array and key as 8. What this binary search method will do is it searches the key 8 in the object array and returns the index position. If you see, key 8 is present in the index position 1. So this method returns index as 1. Before calling a binary search method, object array content should be sorted, else result will be undefined. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, object array content is sorted using sort method of arrays class. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.